factory of the future is really about sustainable manufacturing. It's having the virtual world help improve the real world of manufacturing and operations. And by providing a virtual environment, we have the ability to see problems differently, solve those problems in a digital world, and then deploy those solutions in the real world and get those benefits. And by having a closed loop capability with the virtual and the real, where the V and the R come together, then we have the opportunity to do continuous improvement. And that's really important in today's environment, especially when you're looking at the value networks and how supply chains are evolving to value networks. It's extremely important with the workforce of the future, because the next generation workforce is looking to be empowered to make decisions and drive change in manufacturing and operations, and sustainability is a key focus for them. And last but not least, it's about operational excellence and how we continue to improve the factories of today, tomorrow, and for the foreseeable future.
I think the event was put on very well. I think there's a lot of really good information. I think the classroom was really good for the detail. And then the overall gave a good picture of different companies using different technologies to make big improvements.
Just is unprecedented. You don't get to see things like that. You get to see things in PowerPoints and in pictures, but to actually come and see some real life scenarios was awesome.